Today I built a Lego boat. Oops. There's so much paper and they got a fish rod. And this is his mom and Owen and Master Ninja and Jurassic World Helicopter Man and Owen Velociraptor Blue and Jurassic World Hunter and Fireman. And they got his own motor from Motorola. And he got some treasures. And he got a safe. There is a boat. When this giant boat sink, he can use this. There is a hook and pick the boat up. And this is stuck. There you go. And he can pick this up and put it into water. I am not putting this in real water. I can put this in the swimming pool. And I got some chairs. And I got more chairs. I'll put some chairs right here first. Oops. Black Ninja. And he got tons of weapons. This is not a weapon. This is a shovel. And I can use it for this to row a boat. And this thing got his own bubble blower. He can spit bubble and then spat and going fast. And two more boats and boat and boat. And this is probably my biggest build ever. This is not the pieces. And I probably get the Nightmare, Phantom, Bonnie from Five Nights at Freddy's. This is a new and animatronic treasure chest. It's got inside. There are treasures. I use the golden Legos, and there are the golden swords in this one. And this is more treasures. And you got the best shiny gold coin. It's a crystal. It's a golden. The crystal flat. This is so lovely life. And this is never mind. And in this boat, there are a place you can let the boat go by herself. And this is really cool. This boat has a gun. And this is a firework. And to shoot a firework in the sky. And let's put this lever first. I don't want to miss the lever. Oops. I'll go back to the lever. Yeah. And bye. 大家好，我有一个 LEGO 船，还有这有小船，船乘着这个，它有妈妈、欧文，还有鹿，还有师傅，还有黑脸仔、红脸仔、蓝脸仔、黑脸仔，还有这个人，我也不知道是谁。消防员，空世界开直升飞的人，还有 还有宝藏的对面这是里面有黄金，还有钓鱼，还有很多刀，然后最美的黄金、黄色宝石，还有座椅，发东西有前面跟后面都有座椅，还有这里还有武器，还有在打针，还有最厉害的枪，还有一小船在这里，它这会拿船放水面，这是狗狗啊，还有可以往上，还有这个非常小，有一点点小，还有发动机，就是这样子的，还有这个非常大，还有这船把宝金和很多宝石拉到中国，还有很多连长，叫很多恐世界人，而且恐龙，只有一个小矮人，有一个小连长，还有他妈妈也有，还有他们有很多武器，怪兽都不敢去跟他们打架，因为他们有很多武器。但是我有一个我主张怪兽，敢去打他，在船上拿到宝藏，好在黄色的宝石。还有它这里有个盾牌，很像个鸟。还有钓鱼竿是可以用钓鱼啊，就这么钓。还有它有座椅，还有它小船上面有个枪，还有这些